1. What is the term for the interaction between pollen and pistil? A. Fertilization. B. Pollination. C. Pollen-pistil interaction. D. Germination. Answer. C. Pollen-pistil interaction. 2. What is the function of the pollen tube? A. To provide nutrients to the stigma. B. To protect the pollen grain. C. To carry male gametes to the ovary. D. To attract pollinators. Answer. C. To carry male gametes to the ovary. 3. Where does the pollen tube enter the ovule? A. Stigma. B. Style. C. Micropyle. D. Ovary wall. Answer. C. Micropyle. 4. What guides the entry of the pollen tube into the synergid? A. Egg cell. B. Polar nuclei. C. Filiform apparatus. D. Antipodal cells. Answer. C. Filiform apparatus. 5. In some plants, when are the two male gametes formed? A. Before the pollen is shed. B. During pollen tube growth in the stigma. C. After reaching the ovary. D. Inside the anther. Answer. B. During pollen tube growth in the stigma. 6. What happens if the pollen is of the wrong type? A. The pistil accepts it. B. The pistil promotes fertilization. C. The pistil rejects it. D. The pollen tube grows faster. Answer. C. The pistil rejects it. 7. What is the result of compatible pollination? A. The pollen is rejected. B. The pollen grain does not germinate. C. The pollen grain germinates and produces a pollen tube. D. The pollen tube does not grow. Answer. C. The pollen grain germinates and produces a pollen tube. 8. What is the name of the structure that contains the male gametes? A. Ovule. B. Pollen grain. C. Seed. D. Stigma. Answer. B. Pollen grain. 9. The pollen tube grows through which part of the pistil? A. Ovary. B. Stigma and style. C. Micropyle. D. Filiform apparatus. Answer. B. Stigma and style. 10. What is the term for the transfer of pollen from the anther to the stigma? A. Fertilization. B. Pollination. C. Germination. D. Syngamy. Answer. B. Pollination.